What's up, everybody? Today my plan is to continue work on the back end. Last time I left you, I just kind of installed this tailgate post, so today I want to continue working on repairing this down here, get that all worked up, maybe get this and get the bed kind of prepped in. Today we're gonna start here, get all this gone, cleaned up, patch some new metal in where it needs it, and yeah, so that's the plan. Today's my birthday, so I decided I'm not gonna do any work today. I'm just gonna work on my shit because I can. So yeah, here we go. Sweet. Okay, so I can grind that off. So I'm gonna take this straight to there. Go along this line. Cut that out, make a template, make some flanges, cut these sections out. Should be good. Start there. Okay, so this is kind of what I'm doing here. This is what I want to recreate. So it's basically flat, but I'm going to leave right here. I'm going to leave about a 3/4 inch extra on the end here to bend over as a flange. So alright, so there we go. That's pretty good there. It's lined up perfectly on the edge. I'll just use this top edge straight and trace it along there and out. Since all that was rusted out, that's how what I took away to begin with. But bah. Alright, so that's how I make a new panel. Hammer and dolly on the new flange I bent there. Basically, this will go right in like so. Might have to scoot it back just a touch, but there's a couple layers of metal, so I got about a 1/8 inch gap right there, so it looks about perfect. I'll be able to weld and hammer and dolly that out so get it nice and round and make it look good. Not bad. So we got that made. Now, okay, so I think this is going to be my plan, my cut out section, replace section. So if I cut that out in one kind of straight deal, one piece, I can trace that out even with the curve and make it mate back up. So that's my plan. I'm gonna start cutting this thing out and see what happens. I got this piece cut out here. I'm just gonna line it up, get it close in here, and then I'm gonna introduce or add some marks where I need to introduce the brake, start the curve. So it's flat basically to there, and then it starts braking. So basically right here, some brake lines across here. So that's basically the section I want curved, essentially. This little corner piece will have to get cut out. That's what I'm going to start with. And hopefully I end up with something that looks like the one that's over there. So, alright, I got just a couple of breaks in there so you can see how much better that fits already. Yeah, that's really not too bad, this thing. Okay, I think I'm gonna get the welder out and get this piece tacked in, get this new piece tacked in here, and then reinstall the tailgate pillar post here and see how it looks. But I can always buy a new wheel tub if this thing goes to shit, so you know, no sense in not trying. Okay, so this piece is gonna weld in just like so. Okay, so that's tacked in a lot of spots. Yeah, pretty good. Not perfect, not bad, not great, whatever. I think it looks pretty dang good. This is pretty crude still. I'm gonna have to put some aluminum block behind here and weld that in, and a little more to do here. I figured I can cut that out and bend a nice curve right here and have it be like that. So it needs to have a 3/8 half-inch flange-ish on there. Little square. That'll be pretty easy. Okay, so that's roughly how that goes. That don't look half bad. Take this off the tripod and show you. Not bad. A little more hammer and dolly to get that thing tighter, and it's gonna look good. Next. Straight down, maybe something like that. Cut that out. Okay, after a bunch of working, cutting, bending, I got this thing fitting pretty dang good. So that's how that's gonna fit right there. I'm gonna get this tacked in. Essentially, that's finished product. Obviously, I have a lot of work to do still, but we're getting there. Alright, so yeah, you guys kind of saw what I did today. Just some simple rust repair down here. If you could subscribe to my YouTube channel and tell your friends, your Bronco friends, about it, that'd be sweet. It's coming together. Not too motivated today, but I got some work done, so that's what matters. Stay tuned for next time. So just for shits, I decided I'd mock up the bed, and it actually fits pretty dang good. Not gonna lie. So yeah, it's kind of looking like a truck again. Holy shit. Anyways, yeah. Thought you guys might want to see that.